Namaste friends, welcome back to Featherswood. In today's topic, we'll be seeing when the chicks will be self-weaned. Self-weaned, which means like when they try to eat by themselves without any support. So guys, first we need to understand what is wean. Wean is nothing but when they start eating independently without support, and they'll be as normal as any other bird. That is nothing but self-weaned. Uh, so today I'll be telling each and I'll be sharing the weaning time of all the birds. Okay, all the birds right from finches till macaws. So guys, when it comes to waning stage and weeks, it will be it will be always differing from the way we feed the bird and the way mothers feed. Okay, so when it comes to finches, if you have taken them for hand feeding, maximum though their parents take care of their chicks very good. Only if the female ran away or female die. In finches, in that situation, if you wanna save their chicks, then you are supposed to take them for hand feeding. So when you are feeding the bird, you are supposed to feed at least for 25 days. Having said that, when parents are feeding, they'll be weaned anytime between 15 to 20 days. Okay, so after that they'll be they'll start feeding themselves. Okay, the weaning time what I am saying may not be accurate because it all depends on the way we feed, what proportion we feed, and what volume we feed, and at how many times we feed a day. Okay, so when it comes to birds, mother feed early weaning. Okay, they'll start eating early. When we feed, there is where the delay happens. Okay, let's see the list of birds, how many days it will take to get self feed themselves. Let me start with finches. Finches, maximum they might take 40 to 45 days for once after when you are taken for hand feeding. Within 45 days, max 45 days, they'll start eating by themselves. Cocktails, minimum 8 to 9 weeks. Okay, so conures, it will be like somewhere between 10 to 12 weeks you are supposed to feed them, and then after that they'll start self feeding. Lories though, it will be like between 10 to 11 weeks. Indian ringneck parrots, 11 weeks they'll start eating by themselves. Quackers, monk parakeets, parrotlets, all those you need to feed at least for 10 weeks maximum. Then small macaws like hunch macaw and other macaws, you are supposed to feed them for 12 to 13 weeks. And when it comes to bigger macaws like scarlet, opaline, blue gold, all those macaws, you are supposed to feed them for 16 to 17 weeks. Okay, once after that is done, then they'll start eating by themselves. And when it comes to small bigger cockatoos like umbrella cockatoo, Molokkan cockatoos, you are supposed to feed them for 14 to 15 weeks. And when it comes to albinos like albino African lovebirds, ring and non-ring variety, 7 to 8 weeks will be handy for them. Before 8th week they start eating by themselves. And when it comes to small cockatoos like gullo cockatoo, greater sulphur cockatoos, you are supposed to feed them for 12 to 13 weeks. And African grey, so even that will be 12 to 13 weeks. Eclectus, same 12 to 13 weeks. And Amazon parrots, something like orange-headed Amazon or red-headed Amazons, you are supposed to feed them for 12 to 13 weeks easily. Low sound వస్తుంది, అస్సు ఉస్సు సౌండ్ అది. So guys, the self weaning weeks which I told, it might get plus or minus. So bird can eat even before the last week, or it might the schedule might go to the next week also. It all depends from the birds to birds, and once again how smartly you take care of them. Okay, and it all depends upon what type of hand feeding formula you are using to feed them. Okay, and also make sure that you maintain proper hygiene with respect to self weaning. Make sure that you stick to a hand feeding schedule, feed it accordingly, so that in future they may not lead to malnutrition or anything like that. And also any bird which start eating by themselves, so they tend to get weak, because they'll be new to this type of procedure. And once after they realize that I should eat by myself, till that time the bird will be weak, and after that they'll be gaining weight, and they'll be active as normal. So guys, this is about today's topic. Hope you are getting more updates regarding the birds and their related issues. So this is Chetan, and also guys, since we are into the toughest situation, and uh, corona is getting mutated, and please do follow all the government procedures which has been told by our concerned government. Please do not go against our protocols, and do follow it. Okay, having said that, I am also available in almost all the social medias networks. So if you are interested to support me from your end, please do like, follow, share and subscribe my channel. This is Chetan signing off from Featherswood. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.